Hey guys, good night. Welcome to the channel. I am back. Yay! Anyway, I was MIA for a minute. I had to take a little breather, take a little. You guys will see. The vlogs will be out in a minute, maybe next week. No, not this week. Anyway, you'll see. But welcome to the channel. My name is KN2 Cute. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys, please. And to all my true cuties, thank you so much for rocking with me. I appreciate you guys so much. And this video you're about to see is a bag haul. I just got some little pieces from SHEIN to take to Jamaica with me because I'm about to go on vacation, if you haven't already know that. So yeah, I thought I'll just share what I found with you guys. If you guys are interested in any of these pieces, let me know and I will give you the information in the comment section. All right, guys, let me know which piece you like the best down in the comment. Let me know which piece looked like trash. Just comment, guys, and yeah, enjoy the video. Thank you, guys. Bye.
This is nice. Comes with two straps. The gold one, oh, it's not two strap because you can't take off one. You have to wear both of them. And just twist here, open. Inside you have, oh, you got a bigger strap in there so you also can wear it cross like I love to do because all these bag things not my it's not my thing. But yeah, you have enough space. Only for space to put anything you want to put. Again, cute, right? Then we have, so this is the orange bag, guys. Very cute. Oh my god. I'm in love. I love this. It is so nice. So classy. Just go. I hope it have a strap in there. Oh, you open it like that. You get this little purse right here. Oh, yes, it does. You got a strap. Good girl. Very, very spacious. And you can wear this on the outside if you want, or you could just put it back inside. And it just clip right there. And there you go. Very cute, right? Pink. Let's see everybody in them bag, yeah. Everybody in them woman is seeing them, and then really they're thick, big, full of space. And I'm more no in this pocket, no. It's just two pockets and one. Let me show you. Oh, love this. So you see it have two pockets here. It's just one bag, one inside. So even if you open this side, you're ending up. See what I mean? So this is just the two zip is just for design. Love the strap, the color, nice. So yeah, this is really nice. The pink is pretty. Love this one. I have high hopes for this bag because I don't own any blue bag. This is so heavy, but it is very expensive looking. And the feel of it, oh my god. You got this chain that go across here. Ooh, see this little detail right here? Nice, right? You just open it. Hold on. You got, yes, you gotta unhook this. You gotta unhook this from here. From here in order to open the bag fully. So let's see, you got a pocket here. Got another one here. Got a beautiful strap on the inside. Inside is very deep. Also, you got a pocket inside there, and you got a pocket on the back. So this is a lot of space. In all, it got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 different compartments. The strap, the detail on the strap. You see that? This is nice, right? Beautiful, just beautiful. I love this. Next, we have this one. I think this is my makeup bag. Yep, this is definitely makeup bag for sure. So this is the front, and open it like that, and then you go down in here. You got compartment for everything. Got a zipper over there. Ooh, hold on. Hold on. We got more. Okay. We got more compartments over here. Lots of space to put all your products. We also have one on the next side. Space for your brushes. And here got a zip. Put whatever you want inside here. I love this. This definitely can hold. I was worried about this not holding everything, but yeah, this is good. This is a jewelry holder. Am I saying that right? So you see all these spaces inside here? It's to put your jewelry in. Like, for instance, these are the stuff you don't want them to last. You just go like this and put them down in there, you know? Put on 1 tree here and yes, a couple more over there. So you have enough space. It's a lot. It can hold a lot. And it's big enough for chain. Not big chain, but it big enough to put chain in as well. And then you just close it up and throw it in your suitcase. Make your jewelry them not get tied up, tangled up with each other. Cause you know that's a thing. When we're ready for your jewelry, if you fight, I take jewelry off of each other. But this will definitely put a stop to that as well. This is another bag. Oh, it's my white bag. The last white bag I have, dirty. So I'm hoping this. Okay, so inside we got 2 different compartments. Yes, we have a long strap. It is actually the same strap. So if you want it short, you put it down in there and just pull up the amount you want. It actually got 3 different compartments inside there and then the zip side. I love this. So cute. So here. This is a hat. Just in case. I just bought these because. This, can you see that? Very nice. And it's big. So it can definitely work on my big head. Should we? But oh, love it. Yes, girl, I can't see nothing. Can't see one thing. But yeah, and this one as well. Me see this to everybody all over my For You page and this ugly ass hat. And you know, some buy it knowing some my sister go want it. Because me not wear this. But my sister like weird stuff like this. So she's definitely gonna be the one rocking this. But it's not bad. It's kinda cute. But this is just not my style. But yeah, that's a keeper. That is a definite keeper. I love that. Now who's gonna catch up my hair? Hmm? I don't know what is. I don't remember. I remember catch up my hair. Hold on. Alright, my beautiful people, we're back. Please make sure so not like the video, guys. Like, just smash the like button. Please, right now. Just boop. Alright? And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, okay? We are just regular people over here doing regular things. But every day, not but every day, but anyway, and scarf, is it scarf? Scarf, I think it's called a scarf. I watched this girl, I follow this girl on Instagram, and she's always just putting on wigs, like she's like, I don't know how to do wigs. So she put on a wig, them she always tie one scarf on her head, and it always looks so cute, you know? So I thought I'll get me some scarf too. And look at this. It's big. It's huge. It is huge, okay? And the material nice. Very, very nice. And you know I always should do too? Tie a scarf on her at the beach. This is some big, big scarf. So we about to do that as well. This is definitely small. Smaller than the next one. So this one definitely has to tie on your head. This is, oh my god, this is so freaking pretty. Look at this. Oh wow. This is huge. This is so big. The color. I don't own one scarf, but no. I think, is it three? They look like I own four scarf. No. Scarf. Correct me in the comment if I'm saying it wrong, okay? This scarf. But this, this feels like cashmere, darling. This is good, good material. Oh my god. Oh, and this is a dupe too. You see that? Burberry. I hope it doesn't say fucking Burberry on it. There's my language, darling. Sorry. But this is, oh, it is long. This long and the material is everything. It is, and it don't have no smell. You know, I notice with the whole of the stuff that I review. But not smell no sour smell. Well, not sour, but you know that funny smell that you normally have with SHEIN stuff them? I'm not getting that. No. Yeah, so that's that. I put up my ear and guess what? We'll have more art. I always wanted some bucket art. Always. Remember when the day we were hard the other day? Everybody in a bucket art. So I got a black one. It definitely gonna fit me because inside that deep big. I don't know if it's gonna fit with the braids though. I'm not pull them up made. But them will fit because in of them deep. And this is the white. white is white. Ooh, this orange with the orange bag there. I'm have orange slippers too. If you don't watch me, if you guys haven't seen my slippers all yet, go ahead and watch that. But anyway, this is to go with my this. Okay. And I got slippers too, darling. That is that for those. And now we have a big bag of socks because we wear enough socks and sneakers. I love socks and sneakers, bad. So we just have some scrunchy socks, all different colors, and they're just plain, you know. And not all the time you want the brand on the name of your socks them. We got orange. You know, we just have a bunch of different color. Okay. A bunch of socks. Alright. That over there. Another bag. How cute and dainty is this? Oh my god. I hear chains. And guess what, guys? It got... Ooh. Love this. Love this. Okay. And it is so tiny with so much space. Like this is a lot of space. And my big ass phone holding it. Well, without the case maybe, but not with the case. Phone too big. But anyway, this is nice. Very dainty. Very And this one, guys, I love it, right? For listen. Ah, ooh, this is dress. Okay, this is Rip the Runway kind of vibes. Ooh, we got the. Is this the bag? I was gonna say got the dust bag on the inside, but I don't know dust bag. Got a little space in there, not a lot, but it can hold your keys, your purse, the keys, your money, your little makeup thing. It got space. Like the whole of this is space. All right. But get into the details, guys. Get into it. Get into the details of this bag. Isn't that pretty? This is beautiful, and you can wear it on any side because both sides got the same details. So you can have it over here, or you can just throw it over here. It don't matter. Nice. So yeah, that is the last piece of item. I didn't even realize. So okay, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, darlings. Please like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And to all my subscribers, thank you, darling, for rocking with me. Keep supporting the channel, and because that's the only way we're about to grow on here, okay? Thank you. Bye bye.